Has your TV or monitor ever gone dark or lost its brightness? Most people think it's the end and rush to buy a new one, but the truth is many LCDs can actually be repaired. Skilled technicians carefully open the panel, identify the faulty parts, and replace components like backlight strips or power modules. Step by step, the screen slowly comes back to life, working almost like brand new. This kind of repair doesn't just save you a lot of money, it also helps reduce electronic waste and protect the environment. So next time your LCD breaks, think twice before throwing it away. Would you choose to repair your screen or replace it with a new one? Share your thoughts in the comments.
This might look unusual. Huge piles of animal offal prepared as food for crocodiles. These ancient predators have enormous appetites, and offal provides a cheap, protein-rich diet to keep them healthy and strong. Did you know? Raising crocodiles isn't just an extreme hobby. In some places, crocodiles are farmed for their valuable skins used in the fashion industry, their meat served as exotic cuisine, and even as unique attractions for tourism that boost the local economy. What do you think? Does crocodile farming bring more benefits or more risks? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Have you ever seen a strange, fiery line in the sky like this? It's not lightning, and definitely not a dragon. This is the trail of a rocket launch. The rocket's exhaust reflects sunlight, creating a glowing, twisting path in the sky. When it happens at dusk or dawn, it looks truly spectacular. The night sky becomes a stage for space exploration. Have you ever imagined taking a taxi without a driver? This is Waymo, a company under Google that's changing the future of transportation. These self-driving cars use advanced sensors, AI, and satellite navigation to move through the city, safely and smoothly without a human behind the wheel. In cities like San Francisco and Phoenix, people are already using Waymo as a driverless taxi service. You just book it from your phone, the car picks you up, and drives you wherever you need to go, all on its own. This could be the future of how we travel every day. Would you feel safe riding in a car that drives itself? This is the Class 390 Pendolino, the British tilting train. Its smart technology allows it to lean into curves, keeping passengers comfortable while maintaining high speed. Reaching up to 140 miles per hour, it glides smoothly even on sharp bends. If a tilting high-speed train like this came to your country, would you dare to ride it? Imagine ordering food from your app. Just minutes later, instead of a courier, a drone lands right in front of your home. This is drone delivery technology, already being tested in advanced countries. With high-precision GPS, smart sensors, and auto-landing systems, drones can deliver meals, medicine, and even important packages safely and quickly. The future of delivery is faster, smarter, and straight from the sky to your hands. If this technology comes to your country, would you trust drones to deliver your orders?
Have you ever seen a strange glowing light like this in the sky? Don't worry, it's not a UFO or a meteor. This is the Falcon 9 rocket launched by SpaceX from Vandenberg, California. Falcon 9 is carrying dozens of satellites into orbit, part of the Starlink mission to provide internet across the globe, even in the most remote areas. Every launch creates stunning views like this, especially at dusk, making the sky look like a gateway to another dimension. Just imagine, behind this beautiful light is groundbreaking technology that could change the future of human communication.
Imagine harvesting chili peppers without picking them one by one. This is an automatic chili harvester that separates the peppers from the branches in just minutes. Using a conveyor and vibration system, the chilies are collected neatly without extra effort. With technology like this, farming becomes faster, more efficient, and highly productive. If this machine was available in your country, do you think local farmers would start using it? Imagine dining in a restaurant, but instead of a human waiter, a smart robot serves your food. Robot Plus. This intelligent robot can carry multiple dishes at once, move automatically, and even avoid people walking by. How cool is that? With technology like this, restaurants can serve customers faster and create a futuristic dining experience. If this robot appeared in restaurants in your country, would you try ordering food from it or still prefer human waiters?